Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Apple Watch not sending the messages in 2026. Now, your Apple Watch depends on iPhone in order to send the messages. So you need to first of all make sure that your iPhone is nearby. Make sure that it is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data and the Bluetooth is also on. If your watch shows a red phone icon, it simply means that it is disconnected. Now, if both the devices are connected but the messages still fail, then you can just simply take a look at the message settings. For that, you need to go to your iPhone settings, then open messages. Now, make sure that the iMessage option is turned on and send as SMS is also enabled. If these are off, your watch may not send messages properly. Now, if both of these methods aren't working for you, you can just simply restart both your iPhone and your Apple Watch. Once they reconnect, you can basically try sending the message again, and this is going to fix all the temporary problems. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.